Hello DIY Glam Mats, welcome back, and if you're just tuning in, welcome. Now today's video is actually a sponsored video for Nail Addict. Now if that sounds interesting, I need you to stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's jump right into this Nail Addict review. Alright creators, now I'm going to show you a few clips of the Nail Addict polish on the nails, and I'm telling you they are gorgeous. We know we're quarantined, we still have to keep our hands looking beautiful. Now my package came like this. Nail Addict reached out to me to sponsorship, do the sponsored video, and to partner with them. I ordered a total of 5 different colors of this gel nail, but let me give you some details about Nail Addict. Now what Nail Addict offers, they do vegan, nine-free and cruelty-free gels that can be worn in a way that works for you at all times, whatever the weather and whatever the occasion. All of their products deliver striking colors and weightless full coverage with just one coat, transforming nails into an empowering experience. Now, with these gel nails, you always have to have a UV light to get the best performance from your nails. This is actually my UV light. You guys, you can actually pick up your UV light from Amazon for a little of nothing, but I took my UV light, and I'm going to just walk you through the step. I took my UV light, and as you can see, my hands wasn't done. I took off my other tips so I can give you a clean, fresh look, because I've been considering constantly doing my nails at home myself. We're going to give it a try. I got my polish out on the color that I do want to use. I actually applied my tips. I didn't let you see me apply the tips, but I applied my tips. Now to family, if you're watching and you still haven't become family, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell. After applying my tips, I took my pink, and you know, if you follow me, you know I love pink. So I'm taking my pink glitter gel polish, and I'm just going to polish my nails. And I will tell you, you guys, their slogan is true. One stroke or one coverage of the polish actually gave a phenomenal coverage. I loved it. So I'm dropping all of Nail Addict's information down in my description box. I do need you to go over and check them out, especially if you're still home and you're still trying to do hand care yourself, or if you're just considering doing hand care yourself. But you guys, this was some very great nail polish. Now I'm just going to let you see me finishing polishing them off, going up under the UV light. Then I'm going to come back and give you the final look. And creators, this is me using my UV light. Now what I do when I use my UV light, I use it on setting 3, which is the 90 seconds. And I normally do each hand a total of 3 times. I'll do one on 90 seconds, replace it with the other hand and rotate it off. But that's all I'm doing. I'm letting my UV light dry and cure my Nail Addict nails. Make sure you do grab you some. So far this is what they're looking like, and this is just with that one coat. I promise you guys, these nails look amazing. When you're doing your nails yourself, you always have to be very careful not to hit them as to cause smidges and run marks in your nails. But Look at the vibrancy of these examples of these Nail Addict nails. I am dropping all of Nail Addict information down inside of my description box. Make sure you go over and snag you some. I'm gonna also put a code. Now here again, guys, these are the 5 different colors that I did choose. I'm dropping those down in that description box as well. As you can see, this is what my hands is looking like and my nails, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, everyone, check out Nail Addict, and if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.